Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about 1D arrays in Java. First of all, what do you mean by array means? Array is a collection of similar data types which can be stored in a single variable. I show you in this video how to initialize a 1D array statically and dynamically. So if you see here, so this is the simple program which demonstrate how to initialize the 1D array statically and dynamically. So if you see here in this line, string cars, some list of values, list of strings I have provided. So this is the array of strings whose variable is cars, which stores the value within which are given within the curly braces. So it has how many values here? 4 values. And array indexing starts at 0, and then this will be stored in 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. How to traverse array variable means you have to use how to get those values. Array values means you have to use the array variable followed by square bracket, and you have to mention the index value. If it is system out.println, cars of 0 means what it will print? Volvo. If it is cars of 2 means what it will print? It will print Ford, like that. Okay. And if you are giving instead of 4, what happens? It will tell error. It will raise actually exception, array index out of bound exception. It is raised when no values exist for that index. Okay. So this is while declaring the array variable itself, you can provide the values if you know beforehand. Okay. So this is where I have completed the initialization. Now I want to traverse the array index and I want to print it. For that, if it is 1D array means definitely you must use a loop. Okay, here I have used the for loop. Most commonly for loop will be used because for loop can be used when the length is already known. Yes, we know the length. So it is of length 4. Why? 4 values it consists of. If cast dot length is 4 means starting from the array 0 to 3 it has the values. Okay. Now I'm just printing one by one, cars of 0, cars of 1, cars of 2 and cars of 3. Okay, that's what here it is shown. I have printed. So next comes the dynamic initialization we will see now. This is static initialization. So while declaring, you are providing the values for array variables. Next is dynamic initialization. Okay. So in this dynamic initialization, how you are declaring? Just you are declaring and giving how many spaces are needed, how many values to be stored in the data array. So here this data variable is of type integer array. Okay. So you have to declare like this int. So like this square bracket means you are mentioning it is the integer array data type. Data is the array variable and you have to use new keyword, okay, to create a array object. So here you are providing 10 means how many spaces to be allocated. So 0 to 9 you can store the values. Okay, that's the meaning of this declaration. Now you're going to value you have to store and you have to print the value. So here for storing, I have given here int j equal to 5. Okay. And so as I said earlier, for traversing the array, 1D array, you need one for loop. So as usual, you have to initialize the loop variable, and this is the condition checking middle one. Last one is for what? Increment or decrement up to the program. Here you need the increment because it starts with 0. Next will be 2 till the data dot length. It will be what? 10. But less than 10 means only if I is equal to till I equal to 9 it executes. So what are the two statements I have given inside the for loop means I'm initializing the variable and just printing out using the system out.println. If you see here, I have provided first iteration I will be equal to 0. So data of 0 will be 5. Why 5? Because j plus plus is the 1. It's a post increment I am doing. So what's the value of j? It stores in the data of 0 and then after it increments j, it is 6. So in the next iteration, it goes for I equal to 1. So data of 1 will be 6. Okay. And data of 2 will be 7. Like that. One by one, it increments and it assigns the value for the array variable and prints. So this is the simple example which shows how to traverse array and how to print it. So this is the dynamic example. If you see index 0 will be 5, index 1 will be 6 till the index 9. Last j value is 14. Okay. I hope you have understood the static initialization and dynamic initialization used in 1D array. Thanks for watching.